Hey, Mark the Beercat Suffering here, back from vacation. Down in Florida, 72 degrees yesterday, and back at Toledo, Ohio, 18 inches of snow in my driveway and 3 degrees Fahrenheit. Ah, what a shock. But here we are, free online trading education. Let's talk about a trade we had in the GrokStar room this morning on Green Mountain Coffee, GMCR. Here it was at opening, and it dropped dramatically. It had missed on earnings, and then it was rising up, did a bull pullback here, and now it's doing a second bull pullback. If you want to know more about that, you can go to our new revised site here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com and go up here. It says Chart School, and it's all free here. We go to Trading Patterns, and we go to Bull Pullback right there, and it comes up on the page, which has a picture of it here. It also has a written description of it here, and then here are some, look at this, we've added these now, some real chart examples of them, not just a pretty picture, but here's what they actually look like on charts, and I'm going to show you one of those today. So let's go back here to Green Mountain, and is doing a bull pullback right to the 20 moving average on this 1 minute chart, and let's get ready. If it breaks this $114, I want to be long. Set an order right there. I'll let the market come to me. Let's see what happens next, and boom, I'm in. I'm in at 114.07 long GMCR. And takes it from there, goes on up, goes on up. Now I'm setting my initial stop up on this 20 moving average. I'm not quite to break even. Right here's where my entry was, just above the 114. I'm keeping it just below the 114 because that could be a line of support that could, you know, save me from stopping out too quickly. Oh, look at that. And it dipped right down to my entry and then popped up again. So good thing I was right here. Now, boom, it popped up to 115.50. Now I'm going to bring my money just in the money now. Love it. Free trade. I'm now trading with the house's money. Woohoo! I love it when that happens. Here we go. Now it's up to 116. There's this yellow line here. That's the pivot line for intraday trading. Pivots are calculated on the previous day's price action. It's not something you use for swing trading, but it's a day trading one. But here it is. Let's see if that acts as resistance or not. And sure enough, look at that. High basing right at it. Interesting. Calculated every day. Don't know why, but people watch it, and it becomes a line of resistance, and it's an even dollar amount at 116. Again, keeping my stop down here about the 20 moving average. Is it going to break out or break down? Boom, there she goes. She breaks out to 117. So it went to 116 to 117, a whole dollar. That's great, and that's almost 1% on the $116 entry. And then boom, 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 a 114 entry. And here we go. It's up here now. It's basing at the 117. Comes up here at the 115 area, and now it's high basing at 117.50. So right here where that arrow is, I decided I'm going to take out half. You know, it can't seem to break out above that. Want to lock in some profit, so I did at 117.50 for 3.0% on the first half. Now my second half stop just below this 20 moving average here, starting to move forward, and what's going to happen? It pulls back right to the 20, pops up here again. Great. So I'm going to pull my stop up below the 8. Starting to get a little tired on this trade. It's been in it over an hour now, and then bam, it drops down here and stops me out at 117.40 for 2.9% on the second half. So let's take a look at this overall trade here. Had a bull pullback. Boom, we got in, and then we just kept managing our stops, and I took out half when it seemed to be stalled, and then as it popped back up again, could be a possible double top, I went ahead and pulled my stop a little tighter. Bam, it got me out. So we had a total trade of 2.9% in 1 hour and 16 minutes. Hooah! Now that's a patience trade. And then what happened after that? I just stayed at those highs, and look at that, just started to drop and drop and drop. Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. Hey, just remember, we set our trades and let the market come to us. We do not chase the market. Trade well.